Action. Chinemerem. Eleba amugu.
Imo State.
You won't Igbo.
Yeah. Chinemerem.
And the Quebec.
Stephen.
I'm Pagakwan.
Sylvester.
Survivor.
Sylvester.
Maga Wonye.
Where's she from?
Maga.
Oh, Ijoma.
Ijomonye.
Martina.
Ijoma Martina. What is your mother's or husband name?
Oh, Waneri.
Mwonye.
Waneri.
Waleri.
Waneri.
Mwaneri.
Yeah.
Say it in Igbo. Mwaneri.
Waneri.
Mwa. Neri. Good.
But that's not how to pronounce.
That's how it is. Don't teach me Igbo. Me taught you. You taught me English. Me teach you Igbo. You taught. I will taught this. So, where they born you?
In the UK, but my parents are from Imo State.
So that makes you who?
From Imo State.
Good. Have you been to Ilala village?
Yeah.
Burole?
Twice, 3 times.
Twice and few times.
Twice or 3 times.
It's uncountable.
Yeah, I don't even know.
So the last time you want to chiefimo?
Yeah, I did actually. Yeah.
You saw me?
Yeah.
What was I doing? What did I do?
You were talking at an event. You were speaking at an event, my grandma's event. I even have a video with you, but this is when I had no hair and I was young. I had no facial hair, so I don't know if you remember.
You were a little pikin.
Yeah.
You are a pikin or a kid then?
No, I was a child, a young boy. I wasn't a kid.
So now have you grown? You are still a young boy?
Yeah, I'm a young boy, but like I've grown. I'm bigger.
Bigger?
I'm bigger, yeah.
What makes you bigger in our church?
My facial hair, everything.
Your facial hair?
My age as well.
So, your age now, you don't grow.
Yeah, I've grown.
So how grown are you? I'm sorry.
I'm taller than you.
You're taller than me.
Yeah.
I like them. Okay.
All right. Say, I got in one and I see me choke.
I should say that.
Yeah. I got in one and I see me choke. You
need to break it up a bit.
I got in one. And I see me choke.
What?
Okay, what? I got in one and I see me choke.
I got in wine is senior.
I got in wine and I see me choco.
Oh, I got in wine in your simon choco.
You may both are not cuckoo.
In mobile. What?
Oh, mobile phone.
If Fiji free feather.
If Fiji ferret.
If Fiji over. If Fiji free feather.
If Fiji.
Say. Araba chifimo.
Oh no, I know that one bad.
It's not bad.
No, that one's bad. I know that
one.
Who? My one, my leg.
No. Say Nkita Jego.
Nkita Chenjago.
Nkita Taje Chivimo.
Inkitia. What?
Alomuduru.
For the kwang. Wang.
So Alomuduru.
Point at him while you talk.
Point at someone videoing you. Point at the person videoing you. Atla Makaraba Bongo. Point any video. You don't do
So what do you have to tell people at home?
Continue, subscribe to Chief Imo, listen.
And Odogo
Splendor. Subscribe, listen to them. Vote whenever you need to vote and keep on bringing up their views, as they are very, very hilarious comedians.
Oh, thank you.
All
right, them.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
What do you have to say?
What I have to say is that you can see we are doing very well. At least my sister have done a very noble, and she have done noble so far. She have done noble old English. Noble,
Noble, all depends on Kenya.
So my sister have done noble. At least he tried. We give him like 60%. It's not easy. At least he understands and understood all I asked. Even though when you came on board, you were like being stupid because I know your own question.
You don't do more they go. Banana
Junction.